we have the Miss Junior and Senior 2014. From the senior,
Miss Michi Colotan.
candidate number 6.
Ay, wala.
Ako na lang.
Miss Michi Colotan. Ayaw mo nila.
Candidate number 6.
Ay, nako talaga naman si Florelisa. Florelisa Gisleni Flores.
Kapag kumano,
Hindi na narinig.
to be awarded by Mrs. Lidia Lopez, Mrs. Evita P. Cabrera, and Mrs. Rhea Madamba.
Okay, friend, nabili mo na doon. Tama ka na.
Gusto kayo nag-aasin.
Okay, picture. In-expect mo na ba?
Hindi.
Ako din,
Nagulat ako.
Oo.
Coming from our winners for tonight's event. Let's Mamiya.
Tran, all the staffs, the teachers who made some extra effort to wear a very beautiful outfit tonight. Really ask everyone more to come in front. Our big gratitude, of course, to our judges, Ma'am Rhea Madamba of Pareya Travel and Tours. Please stand up, Ma'am. And then, a round of applause, please. And of course, Ma'am Abigail Ferrer, Ida Lanier, and of course, Mr. Jesse Perman of Vival Publishing. Thank you very much for it. And again, we're calling in front.
Ay, mga hindi mo makinig. Okay, teachers daw po.
And next, Ma'am Concepcion Labnao,
Palakpakan naman dyan.
Ma'am Micheline Rocan,
Palakpakan.
Ma'am Annalyn Valerio,
Ayun.
Ma'am Edita P. Cabrera, of course, Ma'am Ina Rado. Alam niyo, students, you're very excited tonight. Excited din sila teacher, syempre, to see you and to dress up then. Kasi this is a very once-in-a-lifetime experience, tama? Ay! I forgot someone pa. Si Kuya Ryan. Ryan Rosales. Kapag hindi ka doon umakit, Ryan, gising ang gawin dito. Ayan. Okay. Picture taking po muna. Kakanta po si Ma'am Labnao.
Cobra walk. Yung kamay cobra walk.
And then next, Ma'am Edita Cabrera.
Miss Gloria Romero.
Gloria Romero daw. Asan si Ma'am?
Friend Margie
Ano ba ba?
Ano si
Ma'am Ina Rodores. From the Alvin. Ang naghirap na mag-win.
Miss Megan Yam.
Hindi ka niya pa inaantay ito eh. And syempre, Ma'am Marilyn Avila ang may hawak ng kabal. Nag-ansita daw siya.
Friend, sayaw yan, hindi yan rampa. Langgaso. Wow, mo friend.
Next, Mr. Aldrin Barasha. Sabi ko magtago.
Ito Beto Tumanan.
And of course,
May lakad.
Paulit na
Mr.
ako.
Abel Lopez. Pwede yung kuya ko.
Ang founder ng grupong PIM.
Excited na ba kayo malaman kung sino yung mga binoto nyo? Gusto nyo pa bang malaman kung ano yung mga average or doon na tayo sa sino ng winner? Wag na. Sige, sige. Sabi ko nga. Okay. For the female star of the night, Miss Grace Bautista. Vicente, nasigit na na eh.
Oh, congrats, friend. Alam na tinakot mo sila kanina. Grabe. Okay. Ma'am Grace, sa tingin ako, huwag ako nakpan.
Naman po natin sila. Thank you.
Ma'am Grace, nagbunga, dasal. Wow. Congrats.